So today let's take a look how to replace the battery in Škoda Fabia key. This might be similar for other Škodas. You open it and then you use a big flat screwdriver or some similar object to pry it open, and here's the battery in it. And yes, it says CR2025, but very often people put CR2032 into it because it's more common, it has more capacity. And of course, because the battery has a flat discharging curve, it's difficult to tell its state of charge based on the voltage, but when it's at about 3 volts, it might be mostly discharged. Let's try a new one. This one should have a higher voltage, about 3.3 volts. So let's put this one in it. Of course, it's the wrong one, but it does actually fit. That's the battery replaced.